dryer repair for you. How to another way to replace your dryer motor. So first of all, you conclude that the problem with the dryer is most likely, but since I don't have any real knowledge of flash repair or proper testing, it's still what I decided is the problem. And I'm having also problems with my expensive mounting system. My video recordings, which involve a bottle of antacids that I require often on this job, and a rubber duck that's purple for epilepsy awareness, which was remembered. You should always be aware of people struggling with epilepsy. And, helping to donate to fighting cure, stuff like that. But that was impromptu, so I apologize for the poor way that I expressed that. Not to be confused with the professional way that I'm doing the rest of this video. So anyway, you decide that it's the motor. It'll spin when it's empty, but if you put any clothes in it, it doesn't have the power to spin. So I concluded that the motor is wearing out. So I ordered one online and I watched some YouTube videos on how to replace it. And so by the time it came, I was ready to go. Well, I did all the steps that it said, and the shaft did not come loose. I had a hold of the back side, which looked like a square plastic thing, which turns out that is what it is, and it's part of the lower fan, I think is what it's called. Like I said, I don't know. But anyway, so I tried and tried. I couldn't get it. That piece broke into a bunch of pieces. The square piece that you're supposed to hold while you unscrew the shaft from the front side. So, next step was to remove the back panel of the dryer. I've already unplugged it, so I'm not necessarily always taking the best safety measures in my endeavors, but I did unplug it. 110, not a problem. 220, no thanks. So yeah, I unplugged it. So, now I take off the back panel. I take off some more screws. I take off the vent housing, and there's nothing. I was hoping to find maybe some remnants of what I needed to get a hold of, but you can't. At least not with my skill set. So I took all the screws out of the bottom of that whole back panel that holds the lower fan and the heating element and all that good stuff. I took that off. I don't know why. Just trying to find out some other way I could get to this thing. Finally, I brought in an assistant, the lovely Tammy. Must have been that lovely Tammy. And I tried to hold the fan while she tried to loosen the shaft. Okay, anyway, that also failed because what happened is the shaft stripped. Well, not the shaft itself, but it's got the piece inside the fan that it threads into, that I'm sure there's a educated term for it, but I don't know it either. It stripped off the fan, so it's just spinning in there. The fan is not coming apart from the motor shaft. So I got out my pry bar, pried the fan apart from the shaft. Now the shaft is separated from the fan. But if you're understanding what I just did, I basically broke the fan off of the shaft. So now I'm Googling local appliance part stores. And this all started like a week ago. Maybe more, because it took almost a week to get the motor in. That I probably could have gone to. Actually, I could have gone to an appliance parts store, but it was almost twice the money. So I don't even know if this motor works. It looks brand new. It might be refurbished. I don't care. It was half the money, right? So I was willing to take that chance. So I found an appliance parts store on the way to work. So we swung by there, picked up the fan. So now I should have a new fan that the new motor should thread into, and all I have to do is put it back together. Of which I've basically completely disassembled the dryer. But I've been working my normal 14, 16-hour days, so I haven't had a chance to do so. Something about getting home at 2 in the morning and then the dryer and getting up at 9 in the morning again to go back to work again. Just, I'm lazy, I guess. I don't know. I haven't been inspired to do it. I'm going to try to do it tonight when I get home. I started at 11:30 today, so hopefully I should be home by no later than 1. And I don't have to call in tomorrow until 9:30 or 10. So hopefully it goes back together more smoothly than it came apart. And I'll be able to get it back together tonight. So the lovely Tammy won't have to make any more trips to the laundromat for dryer purposes. The washer's brand new, thanks to the landlords. And so it's awesome. But no dryer at this time. So I just wear the same clothes every day, so it doesn't really matter to me. I'm trying to keep the peace anyway. This has been a rated G version of of another way to replace your dryer motor. I prefer excessive profanity, of which I used exhaustively in this process. And we'll probably use at least scattered in the reassembly procedures. But for potential of the other ones, which is I opted to leave out choice words that I enjoy. But I hope more people will enjoy this video. I mean, who knows how many 5 or 6 or 7-year-olds out there might need to know in their adult life how to change a 20 or 30-year-old driver's motor. It might run into this very problem. You never know. Life is funny that way. So, there you have it. I've been thinking about another video since my exchange with the store management at this first delivery that I just left. But it's going to be chock full of profanity if I make it now. So, I'm gonna think on that for a while. Maybe get some sugary treats, of which I definitely don't need. But hey, you deal with stress the way you do. Yeah. Fair enough. All right. Sorry about the shaking. I just came over a railroad track and the beautiful State Highway 31 from Coca-Cola is a little bumpy. So have a great day and the rest of the weekend. If you watch this, it's Saturday, December 8th. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and all that happy stuff. And I'll make another video sometime soon. Thanks for viewing. Like it, subscribe. all in good fun. So, again, adieu. Until next